Alright, this is my final video in our JavaScript series, JavaScript Basics, because I'm planning to do a JavaScript Advanced tutorials. So I'm going to give you a little guidelines you should, like good practices you should do in JavaScript, so you can have better code, more enhanced, more efficient, and I hope that you will benefit from this one, and keep an eye on it for like the future. And you can use these good practicing techniques in your coding. I hope you enjoyed these episodes and benefited from them. And I'll start with the first guideline, and you need to make sure that JavaScript is case sensitive. So if you declare a function like this, my function, sorry about that, let me open it, I hit minimize by mistake. So if you declare a function this way and you declare another function this way with an F capital, so these are different, and you need to make sure to keep an eye on that, because as I said, JavaScript is sensitive, case sensitive. Therefore, watch your capitalization closely when you create or call variables. Example also, my var is not the same thing as my var with a capital V. So another thing, JavaScript ignores white spaces. You can add white spaces to make your code look better. For example, if you say my var equal, check out, this is a little tedious and ugly. Okay, so you can enhance it with some white spaces this way. You need to keep an eye on that. This way it's more readable, especially for you, for like in the future. You can come back and you can find it very nicely written. So another thing is that you need to break up your code, because breaking up the code is for example with a backslash, and I'm going to give an example. It'll be displayed better. For example, a document dot write, so let's say hello, and you can use a backslash and continue the world war. Skipped out all the way to the end. So you can write the world here, and you can close the parentheses, whatever. So this way you can break the code all the way, but you cannot break up the code this way. This way won't work. You can break the string, but you cannot break the main command. Another thing you need to make sure to keep an eye on in the future in JavaScript, always include comments, because comments usually like help a lot. Maybe you will not find them efficient right away, but if you come to a code that you wrote 2 years ago for a website, for someone, for a customer, and you're coming back to it, so the comments will really help you. Trust me, I've been there and I've done that, and I wish that I had written comments before, because if you do something today, if you eat something today, you're not gonna remember what did you eat today tomorrow. You forget these things. So basically, comments, inline comments, block comments, you know what block comments are, with a star, and then you close with a star. We already had a tutorial about comments, you can check it out if you want to. But comments are very important, so make sure to do that extensively in the future. So comments, and basically that's my final JavaScript tutorial for JavaScript Basics. I'm going to make a JavaScript Advanced, and I think you will be good subscribers for that. And I hope I helped you with kicking it off with JavaScript. And please Please subscribe to the channel. If you got any questions, please refer to the JavaScript forum. And feel free to ask any questions. We'll be very glad to help you. It's a friendly website. And thank you.